Hello, welcome back to my tutorial, a snake game on Java. And in the last part, we should learn about how to change the direction of the snake head like this. And we also made the head, um, yeah, we also prevented the head uh, go go back like this. If the head is go down, we cannot allow to the head go up again. Okay, and today we will create the body for the snake. Yeah, let's code. And for the body, we will use two arrays, one for the x like this here, and the other one for the y. We have the first array in the body for the s, called new, and in this video we will use the fixed size array. It's also called the fixed size for the length of the snake, and I will use 4. This means the snake has 5 points, 5 parts in for the entire of the snake. Yes, 1 for the head and 4 for the body. Okay, and let's create the other one for wife, and I will edit the initial value for these two arrays. Okay, here 4 and go here. I will set the body as 0 equal yeah, let me see. Okay, let me see. I will change the head here to 6, and the body as with index 0 equal 5. Okay, and 1 and 3, I'm sorry, 2 and 3 equal 4 and 3 and 2, and last for the body y 0 equal 4. Alright, so we just need the default value for the body array. Now we need to draw the body, and in here we just use a for loop with the we just go through all the element of these two arrays. And we just view rect, and now we use the body S with the index I, and if you multiply with the size of snake body. I will explain all the things. I will explain all the things after I finish the code. So don't worry about something I am writing right now. And for this one, I think you can understand easy because it's easy. It's the same with this line. And for this, we just use the head for the S and the Y coordination, and here we just use the array. So just imagine that every point here is also a snake head here, but they represent for the body of the snake. So but the body is the array is a set of sum of the point to create the body. So we need to use the array, one array for the S and one for the Y. Here it's easy to understand. I think that. And here alright, and let's write it. Okay, we have here the body, but it's not moving right now, so we need to call more. But before we call that, I will show you here what the box here. We can see here we can see the reed in this body, so we need to see the reed here. To do that, we just move the function to draw the reed to the last of this function. So we see the reed here. Okay, so now we will make the body moving, and the body moving to with the snake. And to do that, we just go to I will here. Here is a moving. It's update the snake body, and here we just draw the snake body. So for the update, I will explain it first and then I will code after that. Okay, so we have the snake head here and the body. After that, the body is, so you need to know that the body must follow to the head. So every time the head moving, for example, the head moving to here, yes, and this one is two in the array, and the first one needs to move let's move here. Okay, so this one, okay, sorry, this one is this one had the coordination is 0 0, for example, and here maybe the 0 and 1, and this one the first is 0, oh sorry, maybe 1 and 0. So now this one needs to be here. Yes, this is must replaced by this one. So we just yes, the thing we need to do that change this coordination to this one. It's easier. And then for this one, it's also we need to change this coordination to here. Alright, so the first one that is change the snake, I'm sorry, the body no, sorry, okay, we need to change the first one in the body, that is the body as 0 equal the okay, yeah, I guess mistake here. We need to put this code in the callback function here, in the moving snake here, sorry. Alright, so before we update the snake head, we just get the old coordination of the head. So for the body as 0, we will get the head as, and the body y 0, we get to head y. Alright, so we just run to see. Okay, you can see here. So we need to make the rest follow to this part of the snake, and to do that I will explain it again. So we have 3 parts for the rest, and for 3 parts, the idea here just we will use a for loop from the last one to the first, and the first here is the second one, and we will get the coordination of the previous element to the last, and let's continue the previous to the second, and the last one we will get the from the index 0, which is following the snake head. Okay, so now we just use a for loop with the y with the I from the tree, yeah, and y bigger than 0, and y minus and now we just get the body y equal the body s, the body s with the y minus 1 minus 1 unit. Yeah, and for the y it is same. Alright, and let's run the program. Okay, I have something wrong here. Oh yes, I have a mistake here. We need to set it to I minus 1 unit here. Let's run it. Okay. Oh yeah. We need to move this code to here because we just update the body from the last one to the top to the first one. So this is the first one. So the first one needs to be updated in the end. Okay, so let's run it again. Yeah, it's running. Okay, so this is the end of this part, and I will see you in the next part. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye.